Hello everyone, my name is Akash Padola and I am a student of PG Diploma in Data Engineering from IIT Jodhpur. This is regarding the assignment on virtual machine configuration and application deployment. So, in this assignment, we are required to create three different virtual machines and install web server, database, and then we have to go through all the configuration. So, let me show you the virtual machines. I have already you know started all three virtual machines. So let me go here and then start checking if we can actually access these different virtual machines. So first I'm going to ping uh, the uh, local IP address on the host machine, then the virtual machine 2, and then the 3. So currently I'm in the virtual machine 1. Let me get started. So I'm going to ping the local machine first, .29.65. So this is the IP address for the local machine, and we can see that we are receiving the ping. So this is working. Then next I'm going to ping my second machine, which is 133, and we are getting back the response. Then the third virtual machine, which is 0.98. So yes, this is working as well. Let me go back into my sorry. Let me go back into my second virtual machine and follow the same process. So first I'm going to ping the uh, local machine 168.29.65. So we are receiving the response. Then from second machine I'm going to ping the first machine, and that is working as well. Then I'm going to ping the third machine, which is 6. Oh, sorry, it is 98. And yes, that is working as well. So from second machine I can ping all, like the first and the third machine, and then the local machine as well. Now I'm on to the third machine, and I will follow kind of the same process. So first trying to ping the local machine, so that is working fine. Then I will ping the first machine, that is working fine as well. Then I will ping the second machine, and yes, that is working too. So that means like all three virtual machines can communicate with each other as well as the local machine. Okay, now moving on to the command line in the local machine, and then I'm going to ping all my virtual machines. So starting with the first one is 29.51, and we are getting the response. Then moving on to the second virtual machine, that is working fine. Then moving on to the third one, which is 98. And yes, so you can see that even from my local machine I can access all three virtual machines. Okay, so that fulfills the network configuration. Now let me let me launch my web application from virtual machine 1. So just to start. Okay, so we have launched our application, and then in the second machine we are going to start our SQL server. So sudo mysql we are into MySQL server. Uh, so web app is the name of our database here. So I'm just going to select it. Let me quickly check if the tables. Okay, so we have one table here, the user table. So if I just query, just select everything from the user table, so I can see there are a few entries available already. Okay, moving on to the third virtual machine, which is the client. So here I'm going to use Links, which is a command line based web browser. So I'm just going to uh, access my web application using my virtual machine 3. So okay, so here is like a simple interface. I'm going to just add in a new name. So let me entry from VM3. Okay, new entry from VM3. I'll just press enter and yep, that is done. So if I go back to my second machine and then I want to check if that entry is available here. So again, I'm just going to use the same command and we can see that at number 7 position we have new entry from VM3. That means the data was pushed successfully. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So as the last part of this assignment, we want to see if the web application is accessible from the host application. So I'm just going to go to the Chrome browser and type in the same type in the address of my first machine and if I hit enter, here it is. So mm, entry from local machine. So I hit submit button and yep, there it is. So let me go back into my uh, machine 2, which is the database, and then try and see. Okay, so here it is. So we can see that there is new entry from local machine. I think I pressed that button twice, so there are like two different entries of them. So yeah, that demonstrates that the web application is accessible from my local machine as well. So that completes all the three uh, questions of the assignment, and yep, we are done with it. Thank you for watching.